Hi, teacher and classmate. My name is Felipe Rios. Um, I am 23 years old. I am industrial engineer student. How to promote digital transformation in Colombian medium science enterprise? Is of great colors. Though the large numbers of small businesses and not at the national level, the amounts of Python population. But it is a space to explore and learn about new technologies, new means that allow us to facilitate process and activities allowing the engine greater productivity and reach the new market with greater efficiency against the service of products. It's a great state which must be take careful allowing solution factories development of activities. It is where we must then that in expansive to take a small business into their digital transformation because there are many means that allow to emerging and enter to competitive market of national and even international level according to the service of product offerings by the companies. There are many technologies that allow improved process and becoming a competitive market. It is a moment thing that is the era of globalization and Colombian companies must enter the compete. Thank you very much. It's a time to thank the learning and methodology of the course, which allows to acquire knowledge socialization that is Miss last days credits to course to become an industry engineer. Congratulations.